So Bridgetown here in Pasig.
This is Opus Mall, a newly opened mall here in Pasig, part of Quezon City. So, pasok tayo dito and see this new mall. Alright?
Okay.
Wow. Entrance door pa lang nila. Nakakabilib. Iba na talaga ang mga bagong malls, ano? Like before, yung door, entrance door ay para pang ordinary door lang. Yan. But this one, ang ganda. Yan, pasok tayo. Ah, wow. Ang galing, ganda. Yeah, it's already January pero andyan pa rin yung Christmas tree nila. Ang ganda nga naman. It's one of the highlight of this mall. Yan, on very top are the movie houses. But I'm not sure kung may movie na ngayon, may palabas na ngayon. Let's see. Yan, lahat lang tayo dito. At the very center, meron pang mga parang a kind of gallery. Yan. Ang ganda ng mga paintings dito, oh. Wow. It's an exhibit. It's a work of art. Ang galing. Ganda. Siguro mamahal nito kasi talagang properly displayed pero talagang maganda. Ito pa, this is iconic. It's an animal figurine. It's a very big Christmas tree. Okay, let's move to the second floor. Wow, this is such ang taas ng elevator ng escalator nila. Yeah, as we move up, we can see the bird's eye view of this of the center Christmas tree. Ganda. Wow, look at the ceiling. Talagang pinagkagastusan ang pagkakagawa. Money is never a problem sa paggagawa ng mall na to. Ang galing, ganda. Some of the stores dito, ayan, fresh. And the next one, mga Crocs. For those who are big fan of the Crocs. Masarap ka naman sa paa kasi itong Crocs na to eh. Ayan. Let's go to this side. On the left, it's a big store of watches, different kind of watches. For sure, marami dyan mga Swiss watch. Yan ang popular kasi matibay na. Ang galing. Yeah, here's another view or bird's eye view of this of the center. Wow. Incredibly beautiful. Yan, tingnan nga natin ang stall na to. Ito mga fragrances. Mga different kind of, perfume, mga candles. Yan, mga Panglagay lang sa sala, sa living room, sa parang may mga candles din dito. Ang bango. I tried one of it. Ang bango nga naman. Yung bang when you happen to put this in one of your living room or bedroom or in your bathroom, it will change the aura of the room. Kasi mabango. Galing. Yan, meron daw silang candles din. Wow. Subukan ko nga ito. I'll buy one of that. A candle maybe. So we also have here the Key Coffee. Wow, ang sarap dyan. Mga coffee lovers at saka yung mga shake. Ang sarap na. I tried that already doon sa when we went to Mitsukoshi. Ang sarap. Pero this time I don't feel like having coffee. Basta siguro cover lang tayo dito. Sa patio. Yung patio na yan, ang laki na. From first floor, second floor is occupied nila. There's the Skechers. For those kung kailangan nyo ng shoes, matibay ang mga Skechers na yan. It's popular. Medyo mahal nga lang. And yung patio department store. Wow. Very spacious ang lugar na to. For sure eventually kasi ka-open lang nito just end of last year, kaya yung iba hindi pa masyado alam. Now let's go to the next level. Taas talaga ng elevator na to. Ayan. May hangout area pa tayo dito. Ang sarap mag hangout dito. Coffee ka lang. Ayan. Here's the station here. It's the Yokoko. So, mga Sunday, mga refreshment. Yan. Galing. Yan. Meron pa doon, bata. Wow. Yep, I'm very sure yung iba hindi pa masyado alam to no? Pero madali lang naman pumunta dito kasi it's on the intersection of C5 and Ortigas. The surrounding areas nito talagang maganda. It's under Robinson, I believe. And yung katabi nitong Bridgetown ay yung Parklink. Yan. Mga mahilig mag-breakfast. Actually, that's the name of the restaurant. It's not for breakfast only, but it's for the lunch and dinner. Galing. Ayan. There's the piano here. Eventually, magkakaroon ng dapat merong pianist dito to entertain people. Himo Coffee. Talagang mga tao ang daming coffee lover. But kasi nga naman everywhere the whole world most people are coffee lovers. Sa Europe, sa Asia, everywhere, even in America. Pero ngayon dahil sa yung mga coffee na yan, nilalagyan nila na ng mga specialty or flavorings to make it a little more attractive, different. from the rest of the regular coffee. So ito, it's one of the restaurant. Try nga natin to. Manam, it's the name of the restaurant. And according to him, it's a Singaporean restaurant. Try ko nga dito. Very welcoming mga tao dito, nakakatuwa. So this is Opus Mall here at Bridgetown in Pasig City.